Hey loves, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? My name is Luisa. Today we'll be doing this kind of cranberry makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And yeah, let's begin. Today we'll be using our Morphe eyeshadow palette 39S. I really do love this palette. It's such beautiful color, so we can talk about that later. We will be using this color that you see here. It is called Super Swanky. And of course we'll be using a kind of medium-sized crease brush. It's really just like the size of like my pinky finger and a fluffy brush that will be applying this color all over the creases of our eyes, also known as transition colors. I just want to quickly jump in here and let you guys know that throughout my tutorials, I will usually show you on one eye how to do something at like a normal speed, and the other eye, I'll show you at like a faster speed, because obviously what I do in one eye, you'll see me do in the other eye. It's the exact same thing. If I have any extra comments that you'll just see me drop in and make those comments. But to shorten this video to make sure it's not too long, but also just long enough for anyone that wants to learn how to do eyeshadow for the first time and maybe a beginner. For the next step, we'll be using these two colors that you see here. One of them is called Decadent AF, and the other one is called That's Tempting. This we'll be using to apply over the exterior part of our eyelids with a small rounded brush. Now, for those of you that may or may not know me, I tend to do my makeup looks like with the darkest color on the outer corner of my eye, which is why it's important that you have a small rounded brush. So here I have two quick tips for you. First of all, remember to always blow off the excess product off of the brush. This will avoid, especially if you're doing like your eyeshadow after you've already applied your foundation. Some people do it before. Of course, you're more than welcome to. It's up to you and up to preference. For me, I like to do it after. So please make sure to blow off the excess product off of the brush. And step number 2, you see me using like my eyelashes case here. It's like the back part of it. It's really just like a cardstock paper kind of material. You could use like perhaps an envelope if you fold it in half, I don't know, to make it a little thicker if that's how you want it. And you just apply it right underneath your eye as you're applying the makeup so that the excess falls onto that paper, the cardstock paper, the envelope, whatever it is that you're using, and not onto your face, because of course you don't want this to ruin the makeup that you've already done. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to blend. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. Now, I personally like to blend out every color as I apply it onto my eye. Every step of it, blend after every step. One, because this will allow the look to be smooth and to flow together well. You do not want it to look choppy. I repeat, you do not want it to look choppy. Next step, we will be using this color right here that's called Bling Thing. Really, the colors that you see here in the middle of the palette, they're not like the rest. They're more glittery, and more, so they're harder to apply on than other colors, unfortunately. So that means one thing that's do different is you can either use your finger if you want, but I still always use a small flat brush. And in this case, you're going to do one pump of setting spray. Again, just one. You don't want it to be too wet, and you want to make sure it doesn't. You want to make sure that you can apply it onto the main part of your lid. So here you go. You're going to apply this color from the inner part of your eye, maybe even like inner corner, onto a little more than halfway past your eyelid. This is to make sure that it all blends well together. This will pull the whole look together. Hey loves, so you guys already know blending is key. Again, blending is key. Remember to blend this color out towards the outer corner of your eye because you're trying to blend it in with the other colors that you already applied on. And yeah. On to the fourth step. We will be using the same colors again, Decadent AF, and that's Tempting for the lower lash line. So I think, I don't usually do this, but I wanted you guys to see me do this, that I'm applying the darker shade, the one that we use on the shades, the ones that we use on the outer corner of the eye, to the lower lash line. So it really completes this like cranberry look. I really do love it. I think it's beautiful. But yeah, you can use a small rounded brush. If you'd like to, you can also use a small flat brush. Really, it's up to whatever you have handy, whatever's clean, or you just use the same brush that you used for the outer corner of your eye. Here you see me use a big blush brush. Again, a big blush brush that's clean. I don't really wear blush, so there's no product on it except for the, what I'm wiping away, as you see me do right here. Because even if you blow off the excess product off with a brush, and even if you use some sort of contact paper or the back part of like the container of your falsies case, then like product still will fall onto your face. So gently press onto the skin. Don't press too hard because you're not trying to press it into your skin. You just want to gently wipe away left or right, depending on which cheek it's on, or which part of your face it's on. Last but not least, we'll be using this white from my Essence eyeshadow palette, All About Bronze. That's what it's called. I bought this palette when I was in Switzerland, but I think you can get it here in the US or really anywhere. It should be online, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, just use any white, glittery color that you may have for the inner corner of the eye. This will illuminate the eye and complete the look. Yes, I am using a cotton swab look. I think it applies it on greatly and like compactly onto the inner corner of your eye. You're welcome to use a small rounded brush if you have one, or again, another small flat brush if you have one as well, whichever one you have handy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it. This is the final look with eyelashes, with my eyebrows, with everything done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, any questions you may have. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care, God bless, kisses, bye, take care.